Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a card using stamp sets from Ellen, Essentials by Ellen. And as you see here, I'm going to round the corners of my panel, and I'm going to add clouds using the stencil from MFT. After that, I'm going to cut with scallop die cut. This piece of paper is paper that has texture. It's like grass. I think architects use it for the models. I'm gluing this to my card panel, and I'm also going to glue a bear that is from the stamp set that I use, that I stamped previously in craft paper. I didn't color anything, just the cheeks, and darken the black using black. Let me see what it's called. I have it here. It's called Irresistible Pico Embellisher in black. That's what I use to darken the eyes and nose in the bear. And I'm using foam tape to glue the bear, and I'm also going to glue the sun. And I will make some bees and flowers and some hearts in the same craft paper, and I will color everything with pastel crayons. No, pastel colors, color pencil. Yeah, pastel pencil from Faber-Castell. I will show them in the video later on there, and you see there. That's what I use to color everything, even the cheeks in the bear. Then when I finish coloring, I'm going to die cut them and glue it in the card. Okay, I was trying to decide where I want to place the bees, and for that I need to stamp my sentiment first. That is going to say hey, because it's going to be completed on the inside of the card. After I have that, I knew for sure where I want to glue my bees, my hearts, and my heart. And also, like I said before, I'm going to glue some flowers in the bottom of the card. Now I'm going to add some details or some glitter with my wing costella. I use first the clear one, but later I will add on the wings of the bees the white wing costella, because the wings are going to look more whiter, and I like that effect. I also adding some details using my gel white pen. And after that, I'm going to add glossy accents on the cheeks of the sun, and I will add some flat back pearls in the flowers. And you see here I'm using the Irresistible in black to add in the eyes of the bees. I also grab a little bit of Nubo drops and add it in the top of the jar in brown to giving a little bit of dimension. After that, I'm going to glue my card panel to another panel that is in craft paper. It's not the same craft paper where I stamp my bear and the stuff in the card panel is a little bit darker, as you can see here. And after that, I will glue this to my card base that is just white cardstock. I'm going to prepare first the inside of the card that is going to say, remember in the outside of the card say hey, and the inside of the card is going to say you are my sunshine. And I'm going to stamp again the sun in yellow and add a little bit of pink color in the cheeks. And after that, I will glue my card panel to the card base and my card will be finished. Well, thank you for watching my videos. Until next card, goodbye.